Home to the University of Michigan Department of Aerospace Engineering, the Francois-Xavier Bagnoud building opened its doors in 1993. The building is affectionately known around campus as the FXB. It is named in memory of alumnus Francois-Xavier Bagnoud, a rescue flight pilot who committed his life to serving others. The FXB provides a critical space for students and faculty to learn and develop new technologies that transform flight. You, together with the generous donors who helped make this facility a reality, enable this important work. Professor Ella Atkins has a clear vision of aviation's autonomous future. Her team is developing technologies to improve the safety of unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. She hopes these improvements will expand the role of UAVs in disaster response and relief.
Where I see UAVs going in the future, and my lab is beginning to lead this path, is in physical interaction. Physical interaction is going to be exciting. So as an example, I have a group of students working on an NSF project in cooperative payload transport that are using tethers attached to multiple quadcopters in a common payload. It will be possible for many small, safer vehicles that have prop guards and that themselves each have small propellers and are very light to collectively pick up and carry payloads such as emergency supplies to people who desperately need water, food, and so forth in a way that hasn't been possible in the past.
Moving beyond Earth's atmosphere, Michigan aerospace faculty and alumni are leading exploration in space. Associate Professor Jamie Cutler works with small, box-like satellites called CubeSats. This technology is revolutionizing how we explore space, as evidenced in NASA's most recent mission to Mars.
Here at FXB in my lab, the Michigan Exploration Lab, we really focus on the technology that it goes to build these small satellites. There was a lander developed by NASA and JPL that's going to study the interior of Mars. As it's landing, there was no correct communication path. Things weren't aligned properly to get the signals back to Earth in real time. So we came up with an experimental mission led by Andy Klesch, one of our graduates, who developed two small CubeSats that flew by Mars and relayed that information in real time back to Earth. So here at the university, we built the power systems and we built the flight computers that enabled Marco, the spacecraft, to get there.
An inspiring and functional space is equally important to the education of our students. Professor Cutler shares how the FXB laboratories encourage collaboration and experiential learning among students from aerospace engineering and other disciplines.
So here at FXB, we have this great space. It's literally a building wing, which is kind of fun because some people build wings, but we've got a whole bunch of lab activities that are all related. So we've got freshman labs next to sophomore labs, next to junior labs, where my research lab is integrated kind of in between. So we're really working to create a space, an environment where students from aerospace, students from climate and space, students all across engineering, students from the med school come together and work to innovate on new ways we can fly, both robotic missions like CubeSats and even human missions on orbit. As you look around at the aerospace departments around the country, this building it really is enabling new research, new ideas, has the functionality, has the capability that we need to push new space and where we go in the future.
The Francois-Xavier Bagnoud building is a central location for faculty, staff, students, and visitors to gather. It is a place where our diverse and innovative culture thrives. Each spring, the department hosts Aerospace Day. Aero Day has become the department's biggest outreach event, bringing in young students from across Michigan. With more than 500 youth and their parents in attendance, this student-run event inspires the next generation to pursue STEM education.
Aerospace Day is where AIAA and the aerospace engineering, we all work together and collaborate to create a day where students of ages K through 12 can come here and they can participate in activities.
Some of those activities include racing hovercrafts, touring the wind tunnel, driving a Mars rover, and hearing from engineering students.
It's a lot of fun, a lot of hands-on experience for the students, and gets them interested in STEM engineering and aerospace engineering as a whole.
As the first aeronautics program in the nation, Michigan Aerospace Engineering has a strong history of leading innovation in air and space. Your investment in the Francois-Xavier Bagnoud building empowers students and researchers to push beyond current boundaries in search of excellence. With your support, our future is limitless. Thank you.